Radar indicated.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for East Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 11 p.m. At 10:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Cicero, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Chicago, West Town, Bridgeport, Lincoln Park, Chicago Loop, north of the island, Navy Pier, near West Side, New City, and near North Side around 10:45 p.m. Owned zones, tornado warning. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm warning.